How to keep your green card safe under the Trump administration. Navigating the Trump administration's evolving immigration landscape can be challenging for green card holders. With new policies, increasing scrutiny, and procedural changes, it's essential to understand how to safeguard your lawful permanent resident status. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. We're diving into an important topic for lawful permanent residents: how to protect your green card during the Trump administration. With recent policy changes making headlines, it's natural to feel uncertain. 1. Understanding recent policy changes. The Trump administration has introduced several immigration policies that could impact green card holders. For example, in January 2025, an executive order called for enhanced vetting of immigrants, including those with green cards, to address national security concerns. This has led to temporary pauses in processing some green card applications, particularly for refugees and asylees, as reported by CBS News. Additionally, there's been increased scrutiny of social media activity and political views, with cases like Mahmoud Khalil, a green card holder detained for his activism, raising concerns. Another change involves the green card application process. Since June 2025, uscis requires new medical examination forms for each adjustment of status application, ending the ability to reuse forms. Newsweek reported this could affect thousands of applicants. There's also talk of stricter travel bans and ideological vetting, which could impact re-entry for green card holders, especially from certain countries. 2. Practical steps to protect your green card. Here are 5 key steps. Stay informed about policy changes. Keep up with updates from trusted sources like uscis.gov or reputable news outlets. Policies can change quickly, like the new medical exam requirement effective June 11, 2025. Be cautious with social media. The administration has emphasized monitoring social media for national security threats. As noted, expressing views deemed controversial, like support for certain political causes, could lead to scrutiny. Be mindful of what you post online, but know that your First Amendment rights still apply. Avoid long trips abroad. Extended trips outside the U.S. over 6 months can raise questions about your residency status on re-entry. Maintain compliance with immigration laws. USCIS has warned that green cards can be revoked for actions like committing crimes or failing to file taxes. Ensure you're meeting all legal obligations, like updating your address with USCIS within 10 days of moving to avoid penalties. Consider applying for citizenship. If eligible, applying for U.S. citizenship offers the strongest protection against deportation. According to USCIS, about 8.6 million green card holders were eligible for citizenship in 2024. 3. Know your rights. As a green card holder, you have rights. The First Amendment protects your freedom of speech regardless of immigration status, as stated by the ACLU. Organizations like the National Immigration Law Center offer resources on what to do if you're approached by ICE. Carry your green card or proof of status at all times, as suggested, to avoid complications during encounters with authorities. Protecting your green card during uncertain political times requires awareness, caution, and action. By staying informed about policy changes, avoiding risky behavior online or abroad, and maintaining full legal compliance, you can reduce your vulnerability. If eligible, pursuing U.S. citizenship can offer added security. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
How to keep your green card safe under the Trump administration. Under the Trump administration, new immigration policies have increased scrutiny on green card holders, including enhanced vetting, post processing for refugees and asylees, and a stricter medical exam requirement. Social media activity and political views are being monitored. With cases like the Mohammed Khalid detention raising a law to protect their status, green card holders should stay informed, avoid long trips abroad, comply with all immigration law, and consider applying for citizenship. Maintaining caution online and knowing one's legal rights are also essential. Resources from uscis, ACLU, and immigrant advocacy groups can help lawful permanent residents navigate these challenging changes.